This is a Goodman air conditioner at my brother's apartment. He moved to a remodeled one. His room number is 812. And his old one's over there, which is 913, which contains the carrier 1.5 ton. Goodman. It's loud. I can hear this unit all the way from inside my brother's apartment. Got a Copeland-Scroll. And I look all around this and there's no data tag. So it feels so good to be back in California. And I've been recording lots of split AC videos. That one's also running. And there's a suction line that's all cold and sweaty. And the liquid line's about outdoor temperature. Oh, there's the data tag. Model number, thought it was gone, but it's under here. Model number GSC13 024 1DA. It's a 2-ton. Serial number. Where's the serial? Serial number 0912035487 is installed in 2009. That's right. That one's not running and that one's not. Well, all these three carriers have Bristol-Reciprocating, that has a Copeland-Scroll. So, it's a bit oversized for the house. It's supposed to have 1.5 tons. Almost all apartments here have 1.5 tons, but this is 2 tons. Good old unit. Nice warm day outside. So feels so good to film central ACs again, besides filming splits. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and bye.